Why is he so pretty? Once again, I'm feeling things. These eyes are in a long distance relationship right now. Help me, guys. The intrusive thoughts. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Today, we're going to be destroying your art. Sam, roast me 18. And today, we're not holding back because I've had enough. We've got 10.8 thousand posts in this hashtag. Thank you to everybody who sacrificed their lives for our entertainment. And remember, this whole video is a joke, just like my life. Don't take it too seriously. Don't hurt yourself. Ooh, handsome. Okay, we're starting off strong. Very strong. Look at all these close-ups. I love how you don't include a close-up of this photo study. Oh, you posted this 30 minutes ago. That's crazy. You should have saved it. Her face, everything else. But here, that's fine. That's fine. But you just pan the camera over. The head continues. It's so long. Where's my skull? Ooh. A coloring study. No details, just a simple rush art. You didn't have to tell me, I could tell. You know, here's the thing I've noticed. Gorgeous, amazing character, and then you gave her a lobster pincers. Guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret here, okay? When you look at a person, when you look at someone like me, the first thing you see is my face. The second thing that draws your attention are my hands. You cannot get away with this. Your responsibilities are here. You face them. Puss in Boots. Please save and share. I'm not gonna save this. There's no saving him. He's beyond my help. What is that, a hand on her head? Smile if you're happy. Some of you guys need psychiatric assistance. Ooh, all right. We got some avatar art in here. Neytiri, if she didn't have lips. My God, the anatomy on this one. She's got the facial proportions and the hair volume of a baboon chief. Excellent proportions, and the colors make it look like there was a filter applied over it by a 50-year-old mom on her Instagram post. Bro, is that your chest hair? Why does he have web under his armpits? Is he what is he, a sugar glider? Oh, wow. A beautiful young lady. Ooh. Ooh. The first one looks great, but progressively they just start looking less and less like Jake. He looks like a default character creation. He looks like he'd be easy to draw. Actually, you know what? Maybe you gotta pass on this because Jake kind of looks like a default character. Oh my goodness, it's Michael Jackson. Oh, it's supposed to be Anya Taylor-Joy. Anna Taylor-Joy. All right, that's enough. Is this a baby seal? Fantastic. Oh, this is the troll under the bridge. I'm slowly recovering from my art block. I'm not gonna say anything. Help me, guys. The intrusive thoughts. This is me looking at your guys' art. I'm a blue female alien. I like what you're doing with the lighting, but your character's proportions, the face is being stretched out way too much front and back, okay? Your character looks like a velociraptor. Yo! I finally got my new pen and I'm done with exams. It means I can draw more. Whoa. Have you considered other hobbies? This is great. I love how the new Puss in Boots movie has created a new wave of furry artists. Maybe we can get a fan fiction where they're friends and drink together. What the Look, man, sometimes we doodle things, sometimes we think of things, but it doesn't have to, you don't have to take it this far. Some ideas are best left in the sketchbook. Sam Yang 2023. Oh my God. Tanjiro, no, what happened to you? Oh my God, this is Tanjiro if he was a demented baby. Tanjiro! What the dude, I would not be that calm if this thing was following me around. Touch the grass. Okay, well, at least you know. Oh no, he's getting undressed. Stop. This is kind of sick. Japanese Puss in Boots. Holy cow. Oh. Sketch, I'm scared to color, bro. I'm scared, period. Okay, but can we focus on her beautiful nose? I mean, I'd like to, but I'll be honest with you, with that Dwayne The Rock Johnson chin that she's got, I can't. My eye's going down. Ooh. So cute, but she needs a bigger helmet for a big old head. Look at the size of that thing. My God, look like a big old watermelon. Stunning. Man, I love old sculptures. They were so dramatic. Look at him. He's like, ah. You know, this would be a great meme template. This could be a representation of you guys. And over here, this is simply beyond me. The hand, the foreshortening, the anatomy, the face. I need to be under the influence of some kind of substance to view this piece in its full glory. Nateum and Loak. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments, which character from the new movie are people simping over the most? Wait, this is Loak? Why is he so pretty? Once again, I'm feeling things. sea kelp. First drawing of the year. You're starting off strong. She's looking like a shrimp. You made her red in the second slide. You knew what you were doing. She's a shrimp. I'm gonna cry, bro. I mean, okay, look, why is this a 90-degree angle? Was she made of Lego bricks? What is this? This kind of looks like Joji. Oh my God, the face. Okay, the face is looking a little bit squished. It's looking a little bit compressed. It's beyond help. Honestly, this is all right. This is not that bad. I've seen worse. Until, bro. Man, those ain't legs. Those are baguettes. This is a whip that I'm never ever going to finish because it looks like Kara is breastfeeding Bruce, but I didn't mean to draw it like that. I'm so sorry, Sam. Now, I want to know what you were thinking. What made you think it was a good idea to put Bruce's face all up in there like that? What's going through your head? And why does she look like Smeagol? Oh, this is based on one of the drawings that I made. Waiting for you to roast me on the eyes. Okay, so you know where you've gone wrong. You know that it looks like she's been beat up by the waves and had her facial features rearranged. Be better than this. Oh, I like the pose. It's like you've got him in a Spider-Man pose, but he's got a bucket. This is the Bucket Man. Bucket Man does whatever a bucket can. Old work I hesitated to post. Now, I'm always about encouraging artists to share their work online, but today, I think you made the right call before. He looks Sid-like because of the spacing between his eyes. Another Sid. Okay, guys. Spacing between the eyes. I say this every single time, but spacing between your eyes should be the length of one eye. Remember that rule. Don't be like this. Don't do this. These eyes are in a long distance relationship right now, and they're not happy about it. Why'd you caption it sad faces? What happened? What are you so sad about? They look fine. Bro, honestly, if I do like 50 more of these videos, I'm gonna end up like this. Y'all stress me out. I'm gonna lose all my hair. All right, you're not even trying at this point. You might as well pursue something in social sciences. Ooh, wow, isn't that nice? I love seeing people do self-portraits like this. Feet are so hard to draw, so I didn't show it with the help of Colleen's tutorials. Yeah, you see, this is what happens when you follow Colleen's tutorials. This new generation, this is our future. Maybe AI should take over art altogether. Maybe it's for the best. Maybe it's for the best. What in the world? Expression and lighting study. Okay, I see. I see what you were doing here. Sometimes, honestly though, some expressions should not be studied. I've had enough. You know what, guys? We're gonna end off this video on a positive note with a nice portrait. Dear Lord, save me from the thirst. That's it for today, guys. I'm losing my mind. I am losing my mind. This is my mind, and that's enough. I've had enough. You guys are on timeout. Go in the corner right there and face the wall. While you guys are at it, put your work into the hashtag SamRoastMe19. That's the next hashtag. We're gonna be destroying you guys there for the next video, okay? I've had enough. That's it. I've got nothing else to say. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on how much you hated this video and how insensitive I am and how mean I am to these young, budding baby artists. Leave it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Now that all the fake fans are gone, what do you guys think of this background? Ooh. This is not me talking, guys. This is not me. This is the coffee.